Welcome to my YouTube channel RazoCat. Myself Yash Mishra, and in the solid state lecture series, we will be seeing some more topics. And the first topic we are taking is octahedral void. So two voids, trigonal and tetrahedral void, we covered in the previous lecture, and today we will see what is octahedral void. So octahedral void is nothing else but the extension of this tetrahedral void only, in which the surrounded by 6 closely packed sphere it is there, and the number of octahedral voids are equal to the number of spheres which are involved. Okay, so in this there are, suppose that 6 spheres are involved for forming the octahedral void. In the tetrahedral void 4 spheres were involved. In the trigonal void 3 spheres were involved. In the octahedral void 6 spheres are involved. Okay, so this we have to remember, that how many spheres are involved for forming a particular type of void. So in trigonal 3 spheres, when 3 spheres combine trigonal, and 4 spheres tetrahedral, or when 6 spheres, then octahedral voids are formed. Okay, so suppose that there is a 3 layers of sphere and 3 spheres which are connected like this, and one more layer, above layer, in which 3 more spheres are there, and the void formed between these 2 layers is called an octahedral void. Okay, in the tetrahedral only one sphere was there. In this 3 spheres up and 3 spheres down. Okay, and the number of octahedral voids and the number of spheres are equal. So if we see on a larger basis, then the number of octahedral voids and number of spheres will be equal. Okay, this equation, or this decision is for the larger number of atoms or the larger number of spheres which are involved. Okay, and this radius of this octahedral void and this radius of the atoms which are there, spherical atoms which are there, are related by r by r, small r by capital R is equal to 0.414. Okay, so this is the relation between the radius of the octahedral void and radius of the spheres, or the radius of the atom which are involved for forming the octahedral void. So this was for the octahedral void. Now coming to the cubic void. What is a cubic void? So these are formed between 8 closely packed spheres which occupy all 8 corners of the cube. So suppose that there is a cube, and in these 8 spheres are there, or the 8 atoms are present at the corners of this cube. Okay, so these are the spheres which are present at the corners of the cube, and when they will combine, and suppose that this space will be left, suppose that this some space is left here, some space is left here, some space here, some space here, some space here. So like this, when all will be settled, all atoms are settled, or the all atoms are placed at the corners of this cube, and the space at the center which is left after the placement of these 8 cubes or the 8 spheres, that space left is called as the cubic void. Okay, so that space is cubic void, and the number of atoms are involved in this process for forming a cubic void for a particular cube are 8 in the number. 8 cube spheres are involved, or the 8 atoms are involved for forming a cubic void. 6 were involved for forming a octahedral void. Okay, so 8 spheres are involved, and in this particular cube, whenever the 8 atoms are arranged at the corners of the cube, and the space left at the center of the cube is called as the cubic void, and this the radius of this cubic void and radius of this cubes or the spheres which are involved for forming a cubic void are related as a small r by capital R is equal to 0.732. Small r by capital R is equal to 0.732. Okay, so let's analyze all the 4 voids: cubic void, octahedral void, tetrahedral void, and the trigonal void. So when we see the size of this cubic void, octahedral void, tetrahedral void, and the trigonal void, so cubic void has the largest size, octahedral void has the less size than the cubic void, tetrahedral void has the less size than octahedral, and this trigonal void has the lowest size in terms of all the 4 voids. Okay, so when we compare size, the cubic void has the largest size and the trigonal void has the lowest size in comparison to all the types of voids which are involved in the different types of packing. Okay, thank you.